Hi friends, this is the fifth part of Planted Game Engine tutorial, and in the previous video we have created level 3, and in this video we are creating main menu of our game. So let's continue. First we need to add a new scene, then add a camera by pressing Shift A and rotate it by pressing alternative R. Move to Z axis, then add plane and again add text. Now press 0 for camera view, then resize by pressing S to Y axis and then go to edit mode and write play game, and then go to edit mode and go to object mode, then resize it first. Change to Blender render to Blender game, and then select the text and move to Z axis and then copy both plane and text by pressing Shift D to Y axis. Select the text and write exit now. Change the shading to GLSL and then add a lamp hemi. Now again press 0, change the color of our plane now. When we play, you can see the text is coming, but it's not in the right position. Now we need to add sensor and actuator to our plane, but first we need to select text, then plane, and then press Ctrl plus P parent and again select text and plane, Ctrl plus P parent. Now select the plane, add sensor mouse element will be mouse over, and add actuator action. So you need to add animation by pressing I, scaling, and go to frame 2, resize by 1.1 and then press again I, scaling. Now you can see it's scale in 2 frame, in second frame, and again with this plane also go to second frame and resize it by 1.1 press I, scaling, then join play and mouse and action. Action will be plain action. Start 1 to 2, then add activator action again. Now 2, now 1. You can see when we play the cursor gone, so we need to click on mouse cursor in the display option. You can see the animation is playing, but when you click nothing is happening. So add sensor again, and again mouse left button, then add activator scene. Scene will be set scene, and set scene will be level 1. Join mouse and scene, and also join the first mouse option with the end scene, and do this with this plane also. So add mouse, add sensor mouse, again mouse, change the mouse event mouse over, and add controller and add activate action, and then game. So we need to join the action will be playing 001 action. Starting frame will be 1 and end frame will be 2, and the game playing 001 action. The starting frame will be 2 and frame will be 1. Now join NAND and action. Now left button, and then join mouse to game. Change the game option to quiet game, and again mouse over to game. Now close this options. Now when we play, you can see the scene change, and when you click on exit, the game is exit. Now we need to add background color, so new world, and then blue color, and then add a cube, add sensor mouse, and activator mouse, then mode will be look. Click on reset and also reset local, and join mouse and activator mouse. Change the color of our cube to our character color. Now you can see when we move cursor, it also moves. Now you can see the main menu has been made, and in the next video we are creating level 5. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. For more videos, go to For Beginners.